Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Phantom Wallet. This easy method lets you manage your crypto assets across different blockchains more efficiently. You will gain the flexibility to interact with both Ethereum and Solana networks from a single, familiar interface. Understanding this connection is truly crucial for anyone looking to expand their decentralized finance activities. Let's get started with the very first step. First, open your MetaMask wallet and select the specific account you want to connect. Click on the three dots next to your account name, then choose Account Details. From there, you will see an option to export private key. Enter your password to reveal the key. Copy this string of characters carefully. It is extremely sensitive and should never be shared with anyone. Keep it secure. Now open your Phantom wallet. Look for the Add/Connect Wallet or Import Wallet option, usually found by clicking the plus sign or the wallet icon. Choose Import Private Key from the available options. Carefully paste the private key you copied from MetaMask into the designated field. Give your new imported account a recognizable name, then confirm the import. Your MetaMask account is now linked. To verify the connection, simply check your Phantom wallet. You should now see the newly imported account listed alongside your existing Solana accounts. Confirm that your Ethereum assets are visible and accessible within Phantom, allowing you to manage them from one convenient location. This integration streamlines your crypto experience significantly. For those interested in financial growth, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.